Okay, today take a look at the Hitch mount travel bag. That's cool. So it does come with a handful of these straps. You can see that these are locking straps, so they got those teeth on there, so you can just basically run the strap through, pull it, and it's going to be nice and tight. And there's a total of 7 of these. Now as for the bag itself, if you don't know, this is for a hitch mount, so it is a 5-foot rack that you would put onto the hitch of your truck. And this is to put everything that you keep on there protected. So even if you got that out there in the rain, you got mud kicking up on it, you still don't have to worry about it. Oh, that's cool. So this is one thing that I really like to see. Now, this is where you can actually tie those straps down. But if you look closely, there is a lot of layers of stitching on here, and the whole thing is sealed over. So not only is this going to be super durable, but it's also going to be fully waterproof. So that's awesome. So this is a very good design. So this is definitely a 5-foot bag. This is a nice big bag. You can just throw this thing in the bed of the truck if you wanted to. Oh, look at that. We didn't have some heavy duty handles on the side, so if you want to, you can just carry this thing right to your camping spot. It is a fairly deep bag. So we're looking at about 22 inches from top to bottom. So you're going to be able to fit a ton of gear in this thing. And then the top of it is secured with Velcro. Oh, and zippers. So we got Velcro. I think that's just to make sure that this lip stays over the front, so you don't have to worry about water or anything getting inside. So we got Velcro, we got that cover, and we got zippers. So like I said, this thing is just very well built. Yeah, that is a gigantic bag. So yeah, if you got a hitch mount rack and you don't have mud flaps on the back and you want to keep everything protected, this is going to be a fantastic way of doing that. You'll be able to fully tie this thing down, so you don't have to worry about it open up while you're driving, and you'll be able to fit a ton of gear in here. Well, you can put all your life vests and everything. And these zippers do have loops, so you can line those up and you can run a lock through that. So if you're worried about somebody stealing your stuff, you don't have to worry about that with this. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice, very big, very heavy duty bag. So I'm very happy with that.